Hi friend, today I am going to present a case of misplaced IUCD and that IUCD is lying in right ovary. This is case of IUCD in right ovary. The uterus is normal. No IUCD seen here. This is endometrial cavity. This is cervix, endocervical canal, endometrial cavity. No IUCD is seen in the uterus. When I scanned right ovary, the IUCD was lying obliquely in right ovary. This is an IUCD. These are the follicles, right ovary. This is left ovary with multiple small follicles. This left ovary. This is empty endometrial cavity and endocervical canal. This is the cervix, uterus. This is IUCD in right ovary in minimum mode. You can see this is lying obliquely. This is IUCD. This is right ovary. This is uterus. No collection. Endocervical few. This is the endometrial cavity, left ovary. This is left ovary, follicles. This is right ovary and the endometrial. This IUCD is lying obliquely in right ovary substance. These are the small follicles in right ovary. This is IUCD. This is the IUCD. Uterus, right ovary. IUCD, this is echogenic. Multiple small follicles in right ovary. This is lying in ovarian substance. This is all about misplaced IUCD lying in right ovary. Thanks friend for viewing my channel. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks.